We will have acknowledgements and announcements, and we're going to begin with Mama Akuoko. She's going to be coming to us via satellite or Zoom.
Hi, everyone. My name is Rosemond Obinti Akos. I would like to congratulate everyone on this year's Sankofa in Shiamo. We have achieved much together over the years. We have done very, very well as the family structure goes. Mimamo Aiko, may Nananom Samafu continue to guide and bless you all. Mimamo Mo Ne Ejuma, and also to my very own Nana Tuuda. Mimamo Mo Ne Ejuma, your family back home in Ghana and of the shores of America are proud of you. Ohene, Piao, we love you and we're proud of you. Yamama Iko, thank you.
Our next acknowledgement will come from Nana Yao Sarpong. I know, but that's what they. Okay. Nana Bochi. Yeah, I don't. What's on here? That's also on Zoom.
Hi. Hi. This is Nana Bochi Adam, the chief linguist to Nana Kwame Sarpong in Agogo. I would like to thank the organizers of this gathering for helping us assess the development that is going on today. In the first place, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my compliments to Nana Tuuda, who is the Nkabomhene of Agogo traditional area, and also the chief of Asante Nkonim Kurom of Philadelphia. Nana has done a lot. He has helped in giving the opportunity to our brothers and sisters in Philadelphia to get united to their brothers and sisters here in Agogo, Asante. Nana's able leadership has helped the community in Philadelphia and Agogo unite, and it has been a blessing or achievement, a very good achievement on the part of Nana Tuuda. Nana Tuuda has been a member of the membership that go to the storeroom, the black storeroom in Agogo here. And he performs his duty creditably. For that note, I want to compliment Nana for not shirking his responsibility, even though he lives in Philadelphia, and the duty is performed here. As a result of that, he has been gazetted in National House of Chiefs, the Register of National House of Chiefs in Ghana. This is a very great achievement. Nana, Muniyo, more grease to your elbows. Piao.
Next will be the unique organization in Ghana.
Hello, everyone. My name is Portia Obinti, and I'm representing Unique Ladies Association Ghana, Agogo. We've been working hand in hand with Asante Nkonim and Nana Tuuda for about 4 years on. This year's Nshemu, I would like to use this opportunity on behalf of Unique Ladies to commend everyone in this journey. Again, we commend our very own Nana Tuuda on your celebration, on your instrument as Nkabomhene of Agogo, Asante, Akyem, Ghana. Moni Ejumapa, looking forward to working with you. Ebeshia Biem, Ohene, Unkwaso, may Nyame continue to guide and protect you always. Bye-bye. Thank you also.